What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you 3 easy online job ideas to start with in 2019. All you have to do is stay with me, but first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Okay, so while you probably won't get rich on some of these sites and ideas I'm going to share with you, they're definitely a good way to get started with to make some extra money as a beginner. And I do actually still recommend, my number one recommendation is in the link below in the description if you're going for a more long-term business and to make some serious money online. But since it can take you a little while to get started with it, this is a perfect opportunity to get started with this kind of sites and job ideas to make some extra money here. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. So the first kind of job is data entry, and there is a few sites that I showed in the past. The first one is clickworker.com, and you can see here they're always looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct text, participate in surveys, and search and categorize data for us. So if I scroll down here, you can see here there is creation of texts, there is data categorization, copy editing, proofreading, web research, surveys, mystery photographers, and app testing. So definitely there's not only one opportunity here, but you have a few options to choose from. And it works really simple. All you have to do is actually to sign up, and you will be redirected for all the instructions and details later on. Another kind of data entry job is go to tubecaptcha.com. This is online CAPTCHA typing job. You only need a computer, keyboard, and internet connection here, so really easy to get started with. And as I said, you won't get rich because you say you will earn 20 to 80 cents per hour, but it's definitely a good side income, to make some extra money to get started with. So 2captcha.com. There is a few other sites actually around here for CAPTCHA, but I think 2captcha is probably one of the most popular here. The next kind of job opportunity or job idea would be to be some kind of virtual assistant. And I found about this site that is called arise.com. And you can see here they do work with some virtual assistants here. So if you go here to the FAQ, what does it take to work from home? You can see here if you have young children, want to work from home, a more balanced life, etc. You can read this at your own pace, of course. But this is perfect for work-at-home moms, for example. They do have some good companies that they work with, so I think you can get paid actually pretty well if they're satisfied with you. So you can see the kind of jobs here might be chat or some kind of a virtual assistant in some way. So arise.com is one opportunity. The next site is accoladesupport.com, and you can see here independent contractor, outbound sales, telemarketers also. This is USA based, so they do have the remote telecommunicate and work from home, which means that this is also another good opportunity to work from home. And if you actually go to a site like indeed.com and you type chat customer service work from home, you see here there is tons of jobs. We have here the first one is offering $13 an hour. We have Amazon.com. They actually search for a virtual customer service specialist, work from home. So here at Indeed.com you can find tons of these kind of online jobs here. And I also found another site here, Virtual Gal Friday. They do have medical virtual assistants here. So if you're good at medical stuff and you think you can apply, just hit there. I would actually apply to all of these sites because you can't just sit and wait for one company, one kind of these jobs to hit you back and just say, where were you? Okay, so we need to to actually work on a few of these kind of sites. So sign up to as many as possible and just wait for to be applied and get some job on there. And the next job would be transcribe. Now I added actually translation and subtitles here. Subtitles might, I don't know, for translation, if you don't know any second or third language, might be difficult, but if you do, it's definitely some companies that offer all the three services here. But transcribe would definitely be a good online job to get started with. The first site that we're going to have a look at here today is castingwords.com. Transcription made fast and easy. You can see here, this is the main site. So there is an FAQ. You can have a look at this at your own pace actually. Another site that I also recommended in the past is TranscribeMe. We have transcribeme.com. And you can see if I scroll down here, I do have translation also. So become a transcriptionist. We just go here and fill in the details and you sign up here. This is probably one of the most popular sites, but there is definitely more. I would actually do, as I mentioned earlier, I would sign up for 2 or 3 of those sites. I would even go to Fiverr, for example, and sign up here also. So you just don't wait for one site to contact you for transcribing services. The last site that we're going to have a look at is rev.com. And rev.com actually have transcription and they have captions, which is also another biggie. There is tons of people that want captions for their videos. So you can do captions and foreign subtitles if you do know a few languages there. So rev.com, also a very popular site. You can just scroll down here and have a look at the FAQ and just sign up for this kind of jobs here. So now there's definitely more online job ideas that you can get started with, okay? It's not so hard to do all these 3 jobs. I mean, I just came up real quick here. If you do have a good voice, you could do a voiceover job. You could do some graphics maybe on Fiverr, some content writing. So, but I think those 3 jobs that I presented for you today here is probably one of the easiest to get started with to make some extra money. All right, that's it. 3 easy online jobs to start with in 2019. Now, if you got some value out of this video, I really do appreciate if you hit the like button below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis. Hit that notification bell also to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Most important, there is a link below the description for my #1 recommendation on how to make money online. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and talk soon.